the hell am I doing? I don't even have a ball. Which makes me sound more crazy. But I'm trying to get back into making videos on YouTube. Like, I talk a lot about doing it and it doesn't get done. I'm doing it. I'm done talking. This is the year. Let's go. Yeah, I'm not throwing this in the camera. It's Beast Like Ron, live from Northeast Philadelphia. And today we're talking about, well, I'm that guy. You already know I'm that guy, so I'm just gonna get out real quick. Any chance I get, just real quick.
I've been out here mixing with that sauce. I've been out here cooking with that sauce. You know I flip my wrist to get that sauce, yeah. I got all the sauce, all the sauce. Hit 'em with that sauce. Cook 'em with that sauce, yeah. I'm mixing with that sauce. I got dripping so much sauce, I need a napkin. All the cheerleaders know my last name. I ain't swaggy P, I'm just swaggin'. I'm just ballin' on them, I ain't bragging. I got all the sauce like your cabinet. I think all this ballin' was a habit. I went from the bottom to the attic. Ballin' like a Laker with this magic. I got too much sauce, I got too much sauce. Mix it, then I pull up like a Uber.
This is what I was using in the rubber band to cover my camera from getting wet. I'm gonna let Frankie get first ball so it's a little bit more fair.
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
Alright. Old ways, new women, gotta keep a balance.
I'm that guy.
It's probably not a challenge.
No, you ain't.
Yeah.